McGowan, please tell the court your name.
Shaniqua McGowan.
Ms. McGowan, please start your video.
I know, I'm trying to figure this. Okay.
Ms. McGowan, what time did you think you had to come to court today?
I don't know. Actually, my mother is out of town, and the attorney sent all the information to my mama. So my mother just texted me.
No, nobody had to send no information, ma'am, because you got you.
I didn't get anything. I don't have a phone. She texted to my mother's phone.
I don't care nothing about a lawyer or a text. I'm talking about the notice that the court sent to you. Furthermore, you a grown woman, ma'am.
And I didn't get a notice.
Man, who you talking to? I mean, why
would you say? No.
Who you talking to? I didn't get a notice. Who are you talking to? So first of all, you're very late for court. It would benefit you to be very humble, contrite, and respectful, because a warrant was getting ready to go out for your arrest. Number two, this is the second scheduling of your matter. The first time we didn't issue a warrant for your arrest. But what you need to do is come to my courtroom respectful, not 2 hours late. Make sure that the court has your address, because it's not our issue if your mail is going to your mother's house. Now, I don't have to hear your case today. And the way that your attitude, I may decide not to. But I'm going to send you to the breakout room so you can speak with a lawyer. If you don't know how to come to court on Zoom, if you don't know how to be respectful on Zoom, then maybe you need to show up in person. But you're not going to come on my court and disrespect me. When I woke up this morning, I didn't say, oh, I'm excited to go to work so that the people can disrespect me. Please accept to join the breakout room, and a lawyer will come in to speak with you.
Thank you, ma'am. And I wasn't trying to be disrespectful.
But you did without any effort. You were disrespectful without any effort.
Okay.
Yep. Okay. Here we go again at 10:39. All right.
Your Honor.
Yes.
I'm updating the Gino Johnson amended order now. I think I see what went wrong. I'll send it to you for your review.
Okay, thank you.
Well.
Judge, do I have time to step away very briefly?
You do.
Okay, I'll be right back, Judge.
Everybody else late, just leave and come back when you want to.
It's gonna be real quick.
Ms. Stevenson, why is Ms. McGowan back in the waiting room?
I don't know, but we're ready on her case, Judge, if you are.
I mean, I'm really not. Did you get a chance to talk to her based on my text message?
Let's see. Not based on your text message. The answer to that is no.
Then I'm not ready.
Okay. Okay.
Did you get a phone number from her while you were in there?
I have her number already. I spoke to her yesterday. You want me to call her right now or see if we can get her through the break?
All I'm telling you is I'm not doing her unless you address my text message. I'm not hearing her case.
Understood, Judge. So I will give her a call.
You talked to her yesterday?
McGowan. It might have been the day before yesterday, Judge.
Well, she told me she just found out about the thing, and that's why she's 2 hours late.
Oh, okay.
And told me something about her mama got the paperwork and whatever. And with I'm not doing her unless you address my text, because she gonna end up in jail.
Okay.
All right, we're ready on Gilmore.
So just so I can be clear, Judge, can she go into a breakout or you want me to call her?
I mean, she can go into a breakout. I
Okay.
guess I'll bring her back in, let her be disruptive to the court again.
Okay.
Miss McGowan, I'm gonna send you back to the breakout room. Miss Stevenson, should I send her in with Mr. Byrd or should I send her somewhere else?
With Mr. Byrd, please, Your Honor.
Miss Stevenson, the person that's on the docket for 1150,
Uh-huh.
I don't know why it's on for 1150. Are you able to call them?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, then I guess we're ready on McGowan.
Okay.
I didn't see you leave and go in the breakout room, but I guess I'm ready.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Okay. This is case number 184580201, the people of the state of Michigan versus Shaniqua McGowan. The defendant is charged, Shaniqua Neo McGowan. The defendant is charged with 1 count of aggravated assault. Today is the date set for pretrial conference. Give me 1 moment, please.
Okay.
All right, today is the day set for pretrial conference. How are we proceeding?
You can do appearances.
Oh, I'm sorry. Appearances, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Christina Ritter on behalf of the people.
And for the record, Your Honor, Janice Stevenson appearing on behalf of Ms. Shaniqua McGowan. Ms. McGowan, ma'am, please unmute and tell the judge your full name.
I'm so sorry. Yes, Shaniqua McGowan.
The full name, what's your middle name?
Shaniqua Nyoka Laverne McGowan.
Today is the date set for a pretrial conference. How are we proceeding?
On behalf of Ms. McGowan, Your Honor, we would move for dismissal for the complainant's failure to appear.
I'm contemplating if I'm gonna allow the people to respond.
Okay.
To your motion,
Yes, Your Honor.
because I'm inclined to deny your motion. Ms. Ritter?
Judge, it's at least the second scheduling of the pretrial conference. The court did require the complainant witness, Ms. Chardonna Adams, to be present. Judge, I don't see Ms. Adams in the waiting room, and I don't believe I've seen her log in this morning. So at this time, the people would not be able to proceed based on the complainant witness's failure to appear today.
And how did you contact the complaining witness?
Judge, it looks like according to our system, there was a notice sent out to the address we have on file for the complainant witness from our victim advocates department.
Did it come back undeliverable?
I don't see any notes that it came back as a returned letter, Your Honor.
And do you know when they mailed it?
It says April 21st, 2023, Your Honor.
April, May. I'm gonna give the people some more time to see if the letter comes back. Now, I probably wouldn't be making this decision if Ms. McGowan had come into court today respectful, not combative, not rolling her eyes, and all of that. But she did, and she still is. Like, that's why I said, Ms. Stevenson, did you talk to her in the breakout room? You didn't. You didn't talk to her.
I did
Mr.
not, Your
Bird,
Honor.
I don't know what Mr. Bird said, but Mr. Bird doesn't come in here every day. And I think it would probably have been best for you. But she has come out of that breakout room maintaining an attitude. Let me say something to you, Ms. McGowan, because I know you getting ready to say, I didn't even say nothing. Let me help you with something with me. I'm from the East Side, 6115 Seneca. I know all about neck rolls, eye rolls, disrespect. You done turned your head, looking over here like what? Ma'am, I know all about that. I'm the queen of it. And it's not how you address the court. It's not how you present in court. You're supposed to stand at the podium respectful to the court. But you're not. And you went in that breakout room the same way. You have come out of the breakout room the same way you went in. And the
Judge,
lesson
could I have a do-over? Judge, I don't want to interrupt you.
You can't do no do-over. She already got a bad attitude twice. And she don't even know that she have a bad attitude. Like,
Your
And-
Honor,
she don't
and
even
Ms.
know that she has a bad
Ms.
attitude.
McGowan, please stop talking. Judge, if I could even, I mean, I hear your ruling, but could I please talk to her first before
Sure.
we go?
Of
Okay,
course, she don't even know she have a bad attitude.
Ms. McGowan, please don't say anything. We're gonna go back and talk like right now.
And please know that them tears don't move me. Because you weren't crying every time you rolled your eyes and turned your head. You weren't crying. It was no tears. None. When you came in here and wasn't honest about the fact that you talked to that lawyer two days ago and knew about this court date. Anyway, go, Ms. Stevenson, go.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Tap your screen and see if 4 squares come up so you can go back to the breakout room. All right.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Okay, Ms. Stevenson,
Okay. May I, Your Honor?
you may.
Okay, I appreciate that, Judge. So I have heard your ruling, and Ms. McGowan has heard your ruling, Judge. And I want to ask the court to reconsider, and the court is correct. I'm thankful that I did have an opportunity to talk with Ms. McGowan, although Mr. Bird did, an excellent job in talking with her as well. Ms. McGowan has a lot going on, and as she's going to tell you, that doesn't have anything to do with you. But just to give it a frame of reference, she does, she has a cancer diagnosis that she's dealing with and trying to move through that, Your Honor, a stage 3 cancer diagnosis. And she's moving through it, but it, presses upon her mind very often. She's also finishing up a parole, and this case is an older case that she had hoped had been resolved already. And none of that has anything to do with you. And none of that gives Ms. McGowan or anybody else that comes in here a license to talk to the court, to the prosecutor, court staff, myself, doesn't give anybody the right to come in and just disrespect the process. Ms. McGowan and I did talk about this case and about today's court date. The number that she gave us is her mother's phone number. So what she wanted the court to know about not knowing about the court date, the way we do it is we have a conversation and then we send a backup text message. So we had our conversation. We sent the text message to the number that she gave us, but Ms. McGowan, that's Ms. McGowan's mother's phone. Her mother went out of town, took her phone with her, had all the Zoom information in the phone. And that caused the delay in Ms. McGowan signing on today. So she doesn't want the court to think that, she just found out about this and that's why she has too much going on. That's not a reason for it. Doesn't help to come in to court and dump all that on somebody else. I think Ms. McGowan understands that, Your Honor. And so we just wanted to share that with the court. She may want to say something to you, but I am asking the court to reconsider its previous ruling with regard to the dismissal.
She can say something if she wants to.
Ms. McGowan? Uh-oh, are you talking into your mic? Because it's hard to hear you.
I said, I just wanted to tell the judge that I apologize. The things that I'm going through don't have nothing to do with nobody. Nobody put me in this situation but myself. I do apologize for coming to your courtroom late. I apologize for taking my frustrations and my anger out on somebody else, on you guys. You have nothing to do with this. And I just want you to know I apologize.
I accept Ms. McGowan's apology. My ruling still stands.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so we're all set. Did I give a date for that new pretrial, giving the people an opportunity to see what the mail says?
If you did, I did not write it down.
I don't.
You did not, Judge.
All right. So I will adjourn the pretrial conference. Mr. Flanagan, I thought there was a date in June that wasn't overloaded, but let's see. I want to give the people at least another 3 weeks for the mail to either return. But Mr. Flanagan, tell me about June 6th. Tell me about June 6th.
19, Your Honor.
Court will adjourn the pretrial conference to June 6th at 8:36.
Okay.
Planning witness is required to appear. Anything further?
Oh, thank you, Judge.
Nothing on behalf of Ms. McGowan. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. Have a great day and stay safe.